In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate an average in Tableau, one of the most useful techniques for simplifying large data sets and understanding overall trends. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials every week. Go ahead and open Tableau, then log into your account. Once you're in, open an existing workbook or create a new one. This is where we'll perform our average calculation. Now, to create an average manually, right-click anywhere in the data pane and select Create Calculated field. Name it something like Average Sales, and in the formula box, type AVG Sales, replacing sales with whatever measure you want to average. Click OK, and your new calculated field will appear in the data pane ready to use. Alternatively, if you already have a chart in your view, simply right-click the measure on the rows or columns shelf, hover over measure and select average. Tableau will automatically change the aggregation, showing the average instead of the sum. For quick visual insights, open the analytics pane and drag an average line onto your view. You can drop it across the entire chart or just specific sections. This makes it easy to see how your data compares to the overall mean. And if you want to go a step further, try using a moving average. Use the formula window underscore AVG sum, sales, +2, 0 to smooth out fluctuations over time. Perfect for trend analysis. And that's it. You now know how to calculate and visualize averages in Tableau using multiple methods. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick Tableau tips.